Hi, I'm the spouse of V. Padmalata, who has undergone left knee replacement on Wednesday, the 14th of June 2023. For a day she was in ICU, and then we moved to room number 420A and B. I would like to mention here the services provided by the hospital are very good, particularly the food service, the room service was very good, and the housekeeping, particularly the cleaning of the room, was extraordinary. I have seen them cleaning 3 to 4 times a day, which is not really done in many other places. Food is hygienic, and the environment is very hygienic, and the staff per se are very cordial. The doctors are very responsive, and a very good staff that would meet the patient's requirements. And I would have no doubt in saying that the services provided are very good for the recovery of the patient and well-being of the patient. Thank you.